morning, everyone. This morning we are going to practice our letter names, our letter sounds, and we're going to be using our sign language and our hand motion. So everybody get your fingers ready, and here we go. A says A. B says B. C says K. D says D. E says E. F says F. G says G. H says H. I says I. J says J. K says K. L says O. M says N says N. O says A. P says P. Q says Q. R says R. S says S. T says T. U says V says V. W says W. X says X. Y says Y. Z says Z. Great job, everybody.